like anyone here?
Yeah.
Pretty quick to throw someone under the shuttle. Maybe you're the one we should haul in. What do you say? Ouch. Wouldn't want to be you on the shuttle ride home. Carry on.
You carry on.
Move on. Negative. You are dismissed. Don't move. What's going on? We're tracking a resistance fighter. Milwaukee, have you want anything left? It's not you. Have you seen resistance fighters in this area? We advise you not to withhold information. Travelers, if you are stopped for questioning, your cooperation is expected. Wait. Hold it right there. Who's the leader here? Goodbye. I doubt that. I think you're in charge. And I keep an eye on that one. Looks like trouble. Move on. Goodbye.
Join us on an exhilarating mission to stop the First Order. This mission includes rapid motion, sudden stops, sharp turns, and a swift drop as you evade capture from the First Order. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Incoming transmission from Ray. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there.
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Wallace, we're loading up.
Pokhara out personnel. This is your final call aboard.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We have company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your blue.
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to get out of the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Get there.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Ship is now under the command of the First Order. Proceed down the corridor, processing and interrogation. Now get out.
Same to you.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're here to rescue you. Quickly, everyone. Let's go. In the back. Silver and orange. On the right.
Head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, the door's not prisoners.
Power is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Attention long-range. Prisoners not seen 11D.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's the good time. The escape pod is just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys really like to get close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the road.
There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, it's your resistance now.
I think I have that authority.
Escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant?
I need eyes on back.
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.